Hello guys, this is Dr. Possibility from Excel Academy. Kindly make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you register with Excel Academy. In this tutorial, I'm just going to explain some trigonometric identities, of which this is just part 1 of this topic. So please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you watch our next part, which is part 2. Let's quickly look at some few examples. So we have been given to prove the identities. We have the first identity, the second identity, and the third identity. So let's quickly look at each of these identities and let's make sure that we all follow as I explain each one of them. So the first one is cos A plus tan A over sin A cos A is equal to cosec A plus C sec squared A. So I'm going to write my solution. I'll write my solution. Then I'll pick the left hand side. So I can say taking the left hand side, which is just LHS, which is cos A plus tan A over sin A cos A. So for this expression, we can just simply separate these two guys, whereby we can say cos A over sin A and then cos A. So when we separate that, and then this side it will also be plus, we can say tan A over sin A cos A. Yeah. So when we separate this, we can simply look at the fact that this guy can also be rewritten, whereby this guy can remain the same way it is as cos A over sin A cos A. Okay, that one can remain the way it is. Then we say plus this guy can be written as sin A over cos A, and then divide by, remember this is division, divide by sin A cos A, sin A cos A. So after we express this expression, we need to note that something can be done for the first part, whereby this one and that one can go. So when this one and that one goes, we need to expect something like 1 over sin A plus, and then this other side, this will remain the same way it is as sin A over cos A, sin A over cos A, and then multiplied by this. When you change this multiplication, this means that these guys will simply swap, because this is over 1. So that means that this side we're going to have 1 over sin A cos A, sin A cos A. So when we have that expression, we can simply work out by cancelling this guy. So that sign and that sign, they can go. So here we have 1 over sin A plus 1 over sin A plus, we have this is 1, this times that, it is 1 over, then we say cos A times cos A is simply cos squared A, cos squared A. So that's what we have. And then you need to note that 1 over sin A is simply the same as cosec A. 1 over sin A is simply cosec A. And then we can say plus, and we know that 1 over cos squared A is simply sec squared A, sec squared A. And this is just the same as the what? The right hand side. So therefore, this has been proven. Just simply write hence proven. So this is how easily you can work out this identity. So let's quickly look at the next identity, which is this one. So please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you follow up the solution. So let me quickly look at this other identity. So this identity, I can simply write solution, and let me quickly work on it. So we can also pick the left hand side. So we can say taking the left hand side, which is cosec theta plus tan theta sec theta. Okay, so in this case, this can just simply be changed to 1 over sine theta, because we know that cosec theta is just 1 over sine theta, plus then this is the same as sine theta over cos theta, and then dot sec theta is the same as 1 over what? 1 over cos theta. Yeah, so when we have this, we can simply move on and work on, let's say, this and that. So this and that will simply move the same way it is, which 1 over sine theta plus, you know, this and that, it's going to be sine theta. Okay, 1 times sine theta, it is sine theta. Then cos theta times cos theta is simply equal to what? Cos theta times cos theta is just cos squared theta. So when we have this, we can look for the common denominator, so which is sine theta cos theta. Okay, and then cos squared theta, sorry, that is a square. So sine theta into sine theta cos squared theta, it is cos squared theta times 1. So on top, it is just simply cos squared what? Theta, plus then this into that, it is sine theta. Sine theta times sine theta, it is sine squared theta. Okay, with that being said, we know that cos squared theta plus sine squared theta, it is 1. So you're going to say 1 over, then over sine theta cos squared theta. So with that being done, these two can also be separated in such a way that this one can be 1 over sine theta, 1 over sine theta dot 1 over cos squared theta, cos squared theta. Okay, so we know that 1 over sine theta, it is cosec theta. So this is just cosec theta. Okay, and then we know that this 1 over cos squared theta is just the sec squared theta, sec squared theta. So this is just equal to the what? The right hand side. So this is just our solution, and you write hence proven, hence proven. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you register with Excel Academy. So let me quickly move on and look at this next question. So this next question, we have been given, let's say 1 over cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to sine over 1 plus cos theta. So we can still get the left hand side. So we can say taking the left hand side, we know that this is 1 over cosec, theta plus cot theta. Okay, so we can simply change these guys, whereby we can say it becomes 1 over, we know cosec theta, it is 1 over what? Sine theta, this sine theta. Then we say plus, we know cot theta is the same as cos theta over what? Sine theta, cos theta over sine theta. So with that being done, we can simply say 1 over, so common denominator between these two, it is just what? Sine theta. Okay, and then this into that, it's 1 times 1, it's 1, and then this into that, it is 1 times that, it is cos theta. Okay, so this whole expression can be written as 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta over sine theta. Cos theta over sine theta. And you know this can swap. So our answer will just be sine theta over 1 plus cos theta, and this is just equal to the what? Equal to the right hand side. So guys, please make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that you register with Excel Academy. Thank you. Have a blessed day.